Yo, the brother I go out with things, man. Me, I tell you, say, remember, say the first time the man come to the group, we never believe him say no yard him come from. You understand? Because we asked the man which part the man come from. The man said, no, he never got a yard before Jamaica and come from. So the youth, him put in the work, you understand, and him really, we admire the effort when we put out. You understand? So, yeah, and him come through with the interview and thing like that. So I love them, man, because it's like feedback for see what we are do say the thing actually at work, you understand? And people are benefit from it. So we actually love to see that. So yeah, man, big up yourself on the job, yo. Big up Bulla, yo, the man come through. Yeah, I'm sorry. Big up the African Yardman. You understand? The man come through and do the thing. And we see the feedback online and thing, and it's like I try to get people to say, yo, this patwah thing I don't know no little father or nothing where I got just pass. You understand? The thing I grow. So, and the man proved the point. So, yeah, man, big up rude boy, and we're there. Me and the two juice and now still, but you don't know the thing go. They're on vacation, but yeah, man, respect me, G. Big up.
Give shout out, give props for me, brother Bulla Music pan the student interview and thing. Yo, yeah, go on with things, my G. Me think say a true yard man, Yeah, man, big up yourself, big up Andre pan the way I put the thing together and all them thing there. Yo, me rate. Me did tell Andre first time me did a see your youth, me rate the youth energy. You see me? So keep it do what you do, brother. Bless up.
Yo, Bulla, may I tell you, I would love to hear you have a conversation with somebody from yard one day. And but I love to see how long it'll take them to figure out, say, you know what I mean, born in Jamaica. Me tell you, say, you remember, I said the first time you come in and you stun the whole away in a cause, and I be a yard man you that talk to, and nobody never know. So, that me I say, me J. So, me know, so we keep talking about it. But me I tell you, we never hear that the level of patwah from somebody when I come from Jamaica. A once in a blue moon, you hear them thing there. And hear it all the time. So yeah, you definitely put in the work, my G. So you're certified, man. Stamp of approval. You're ready for go.